Okay, another 8-track video here. In my last video, I got my all my cartridges serviced, so they're all in good playable condition, and I got a couple recording blanks. So now I got to make sure my recorder is up to the task. I'm going to get in there and clean the track change switch, the head, and the cap stand. And the best way to do that is you take the handle of this brush or a pencil with an eraser or something, you wrap a t-shirt around the end of it and drizzle some alcohol on there. Okay, I thought I would throw a little humor into this video. I have like 4 or 5 pairs of panties that I bought for Sarah that are a little bit too big for her. I mean, they fit, but they're too loose. And this is what I'm going to use to wrap over the handle of my brush there to clean this 8-track recorder. Okay, got our panties over there. Now, enter the 8-track slot. And, see, I'm going to have to put my light on to see up in there. And we'll clean the program switch and the head. Okay, got a light on here. First up is the program switch. If I can stay on it. It's kind of hard to see what I'm doing here. Well, I got it by feel a little better. Let's see what we got. Yeah, a little bit of dirtiness there. Drizzle some more alcohol on there and I'll get the head. Okay, got our panties back in there. I'm just gonna clean that head. Manual cleaning is the best way to clean heads on any type of tape machine, whether you have an 8-track, a cassette, a VCR, reel-to-reel, even floppy disk drives. Manual cleaning gives the best results. Do not fall for those head cleaning tapes or head cleaning cartridges. They're not that effective. Yeah, I got a little filth off of there. Let's look up in there, see the results. Last up is the cap stand. That's going to be a little more difficult because I gotta find a way to activate the tape switch to get the machine running so I can clean all around that cap stand. To see if I got, let's see, I got another one of these little brushes. See if I can use this to activate the tape switch. Yes, I can. So I got that jammed up in there to get the cap stand running, which it is doing precisely that. And now, just reposition these panties onto this other brush and clean the cap stand. Okay, now you can see streaks all in these panties. Yeah, those are ready for the dirty laundry pile. I got this 8-track player cleaned as best as I could. Got the program switch, head, and cap stand all cleaned. So hopefully it'll give pretty good recordings. And that's it for this video. Okay, well, we have a problem now. I just got done cleaning the program switch, head, and capstan in this Panasonic stereo 8-track player. And now it thinks it wants to be a fan of Alvin and the Chipmunks. Turning on and off fast forward doesn't make a difference. So, gotta figure out what's up with that.